I tried so many twist out and braid out, and it just never comes out right, and I don't get it.
Perfect, perfect, perfect.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. So today I'm gonna be doing a braid out on my hair, and right now I'm applying some damage repair hair and scalp serum from Shea Moisture, and I'm just gonna massage that into my scalp. So the products I'll be using today are the Camille Rose Curl and Moisture Milk along with the Curl Maker, and these two products work so good together. So I'm just gonna apply that to my hair, make it nice and saturated before I start to braid. So I braid my hair very tight to get the best definition. When I reach at the end of the braid, I'm just gonna hit a little twirl so it can curl.
So, you guys, it's the next day, and I'm about to take down these braids.
So before I continue, I just want to mention that I was still in the process of doing my makeup. I know my brows are looking very red right now. One is happy, one is sad. I just tried to look at my hair because I don't know what this is. I have no idea what's going on right now.
As you guys can see, I have them pinned down so they can stretch a little bit. So what I did, I pinned the left braids, brought them over to the left side and to the right side, and I pinned them down and pinned the right braids to the left side, and that would help my hair to stretch a little bit because I don't want to use any heat. And yes, I'm so nervous, you guys. I never had a successful braid out or twist out, so I'm pretty nervous to see how this is gonna turn out. But I'm gonna turn around real quick so you guys can see how I have it pinned to the back. So I'm gonna take down the hairpins, and I hope my hair did stretch a little bit because I did this about an hour ago. If I thought of it last night, I would have done it last night, but oh well. So looking at it, it does look like it stretched a little bit because the braids were much shorter this morning. So yeah, I think if I had it in since last night, then they would have been like stretch. But this will do. So to start off, I'm gonna use the same hair serum I used on my scalp yesterday. And this is the Damage and Repair Hair and Scalp Serum from Shea Moisture. I'm gonna apply a little bit to my hair to prevent frizz. Hopefully that works. So right now I'm gonna separate the braids again, and you wanna separate them where they naturally want to be separated to prevent frizz. So that's what I'm gonna try to do. And this will take a while, you guys. So this is it. This is my braid out that I was so excited about, and it's a definite fail. Let me give you guys a 360. This is why I just do wash and goes, because whenever I try to do a braid out or a twist out, it never comes out right. And I don't get it. What am I doing wrong? I did my braids, I added oil, I added cream and a jelly. My braids were tight. What is the problem? I don't get it. So yes, you guys, comment down below and let me know like what it is that I'm doing wrong, because I don't get it. Why? But I'm not gonna lie, this is the best results I've gotten with a twist out or a braid out since I've been trying them. So I am on to something, but I'm not there yet. But you guys need to help me out because I am lost. I don't know what else to do. I know some of you guys don't mind how this looks and you guys don't mind the frizz and whatnot, but this is not cutting it for me. I really don't like it. So bummer, but I'm not gonna give up just yet. I'm gonna keep trying twist outs and braid outs. So please leave me a comment down below and give me some tips on how I can fix this the next time around. So guys, thank you so much for watching my fail wash and go. I hope you still enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel and keep coming back for more. Right now I'm about to see what I'm gonna do with this, but yes, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Basie Styles, and I'll see you guys in my next video.